Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the West Bend popcorn maker, and it's actually pretty simple. So the first step here is going to be to turn the device on by flipping the switch on the side. Next you're going to get the first scooper for the kernels. You're going to get exactly 2 scoops and just put it right in the top there. Make sure you lift up the silver cover. And then after you've added in the 2 scoops of popcorn, I like to use my own homemade melted butter, but you can buy some movie theater butter from this local grocery store. You just take 1 scoop of butter, pour it right on in there, and then you wait for it to pop. Alright guys, so the popcorn sounds like it's about done. There's no more popping going around, so what you're going to do is put your hand under this little black holder piece and push this down so you can release all the popcorn down into the catcher at the bottom. And now you have some beautiful homemade popcorn to eat.